Canada. We just completed this basement and I want to show you what we did so far. We had a carpeted stairs, so we got rid of the carpet and we put in treads with oak tread, and we stained it, and we established the same color as the floor. The floor here is vinyl, so come on over, I want to show you some things. The first thing we did here, of course, is we redid the bathroom. The bathroom was an older style bathroom, and we put in a stand-up shower with an acrylic tray and a sliding glass door. We tiled the floor, and we put new tiles in the shower, new shower head, a new trim. There's the acrylic tray. This is a sliding glass door. We also put in pot lights in this bathroom, and the vanity is a custom-built vanity with Remodel Canada. And the toilet is, of course, in the corner here. And new exhaust fan, so we can get all the moisture out of the bathroom. Freshly painted. Outside here, we made an open concept. As you can see, that's over 100-inch projected TV. Thanks to the East Porters in Oakville that helped us install that projector over there. The floor here has a dry core or barricade subflooring. It's the same company, dry core barricade. But what it does is it keeps the floors a bit warmer. And this is a vinyl on top of the dry core. And the floor right now, you can be with socks or bare feet. The floor will be about 3 degrees warmer. Over here, we did a bar. We just like a white bar type of thing. The homeowner's gonna put their wine fridge and beer fridge. Here's the bar sink with the faucet, and we installed the cabinets above it. We put beautiful backsplash so that we can get a nice transition there